The diploma explained. The diploma is based around 10 core values called the learner profile. They include being creative thinkers, being principled with honesty and integrity, open-minded and able to appreciate other cultures, values and traditions, being risk-takers, courageous with new challenges, and being reflective, understanding our own strengths and weaknesses. The IB Diploma requires students to study 6 subjects from different option groups. Pupils can choose to study these at either a standard level or a high level. Group 1 and 2 are languages. Group 1 is normally the student's home language, and for the majority of our students this will be taught in Spanish, but it can also be offered in English. Group 2 is language acquisition, which builds upon the GCSE language knowledge, and for most of our pupils this will be English as a second language, but it will also be offered in Spanish. Group 3 are the humanities, with history, geography or business being offered. Group 4 the sciences. These will include physics, biology and environmental social studies. All students study a course in mathematics, but again this can be chosen to be either higher or lower depending on their other subject choices. And finally, students can choose between either art or other options such as French, chemistry or computer studies. This allows students to have a broad and balanced curriculum. Students need to choose 3 of these subjects to study at a standard level and 3 to study at a higher level. The higher level requires pupils to apply their knowledge and demonstrate analytical and reasoning skills. Each subject is assessed with a range of assessment tasks. 30% of their final assessment is internally assessed, and this is made up from essays or exams or presentations. Some of those will be sent off and moderated by the IB exam board. The remaining 70% is made up of an external formal exam which is sent off and marked by the IB board. The majority of these exams will take place in the May of the student's final year. Each subject is graded between 1 and 7, with 7 being the highest. That means that students can gain a total of 42 marks for their academic studies. But the IB doesn't just believe in academic studies, it also believes that pupils need to be well-rounded. And so, in addition, students study 3 core skills. The first of these is a theory of knowledge. This enables students to assess how knowledge is attained, to question facts, and this is assessed by an essay or a presentation. In addition, students write a 4,000-word essay on a project of their choice, and this is normally based on one of their subjects. And finally, they carry out creativity, action and service. This is where pupils are asked to be proactive and work as a team. They may choose to run a club, support a school project, organise a charity event, or learn a new instrument. These 3 core components enable students to add a further 3 marks to their final score. So how are all the marks added up? So, with their 6 subjects, they can have a total of 42 marks, plus the extra 3 marks from their core means that the final IB is marked out of 45.